Yo, I ain't number 18, still walking with a vest. You can catch me on Van Street, chilling with the tech. This ain't my flow guy, Ray B's, take it to the vet. I be fresh, Gucci pants with some fresh white ones, with 2 machine guns that's making my hands numb. I got 3 choppers with 50 round drums. I got that pure white, they call it the snowflake. We small but we big, run the rapids, the birthplace, and bass in the trunk sound like an earthquake. I got money on my mind, I got moves to make. Got beef, Lil Wody got food to bake. In the club you better duck, cause you know I'm a buck. One shot from this thing and make a nigga that duck. And if your boy try to save you, I'ma kill my duck. Looking for a red ball so I can get my dick sucked. Try to move from the block but the blow won't let me. Selling them a white so my dog gonna attack me. My flow once was clean but my flow got nasty. And the feel of my molasses can get turned into ash. That semi-automatic, I'ma let you fools have it. Smoking on mango while I'm making my cabbage. Money been in the pocket too long, it's time to get a sack. Plus I stay ballin' like LeBron in Serbiac. You shit in the middle before I do, boy, you imagine that. My weapon's kinda lethal, no matter how far, boy, that scope gon' see you. And one of these hoes just gon' 6FT you. I sell plenty drugs, even down to the needles. Niggas that I don't fuck with, I still give them chances. And the fiends that I mess with, I show them romance. And your bride on my pipe. But what's the circumstances? Cause my chopper pick up more bodies than the ambulance. My chain clean, boy, why you wearing rusty gold? I got old bread, so I guess my shit got mold. One lick from this little best believe you gon' fold. My jewelry give me chill bumps, man, my shit cold. I gotta stay fresh, cause I'm always in the street. I'm trying to buy a jet for my knees get weak. I still need bread, don't forget about me. And I stay with my strap, cause I know I got beef. And if I got my boys with me, best believe you getting jumped. You know, I don't feel like fussing. Here fuss with the pump. And what makes you think that I won't leave you slump? Cut your head off, throw your body in the swamp. I get a fiend so much crack it had a brain all goozy. Stacks on the table while I'm loading up the Uzi. Smoking purple in the back while I'm listening to the bootsy. Drinking no goose, your boy mind all loose. If a nigga act up, I swear to God I shoot. These niggas think they hard but they sweet like fruit. I leave a dude necklace thinking you can beat me home, boy, you talking reckless. AK Brown turn your brains into maggots. You can ask anybody, yeah, stop moving weight. I slug from this K and turn the crooked nigga straight. And fade my privacy and get hit with the K, cause boy, I don't play. I will rearrange your face. You can catch them wearing icing cause I'm known for making cake. In the kitchen baking pies, plus I gotta let them bake. Then my money come natural. I sell old birds that fly like pterodactyls. You better run, rat. These cats gon' scratch you. Give you a couple birds, but don't let none scratch you. Don't think you know how sour diesel make a nigga feel. I could jerk in my face, plus I'm gone off the pill. If a nigga pop off, then that nigga getting killed. I ain't saying I'm a thug, but this just the way I live. And I can't stop hustling until I reach a mill. 12 gauge sawed off, same size as Lil Bill. When them boys see them choppers, man, they know to get calm. I have a nigga thinking like Jimmy Neutron. And y'all boys better all playing with pom-poms. I gotta stay fresh, cause I'm always in the street. I'm trying to buy a jet, but my knees get weak. I still need bread, don't forget about me. And I stay with my strap, cause I know I got beef. I gotta stay fresh, cause I'm always in the street. I'm trying to buy a jet, but my knees get weak. I still need bread, don't forget about me. And I stay with my strap, cause I know I got beef.
Get with it, nigga.
I mean, man, y'all kind of talking rude, dog. You know what I mean? But y'all really don't want this shit, dog, for real. I'm for one of y'all niggas, man. Hey, look. Little kiss to the bitches, dog. Let my tongue at the bitches, though. I'm gonna give y'all a little sample of the next track, you know what I mean? You feel me? You dig me? You damn ridiculous asshole nigga. Listen, though. Trip, I bet that Mac push you back in. It's known for bringing action like Samuel Jackson. The Mac get it poppin', them tips get it cracking. You want a problem with say motherfucker? What's happening?